Well, this has been hauled out of my garage to stick on eBay and clear the pile a little bit. But before I give it a little wipe over, I thought you should probably see it. It's a Hotpoint super vacuum cleaner. We'll be the judge of that. A 3370, 800 watts. Yeah, quite a neat little vacuum. It also has a little bag of stuff, which in fact I'll look through first. What is in here? Ah, a handbook. All 2 pages of it. Well, there isn't much to it, is there? A spare bag. Some genuine filters. 4. Wow. And it's 3 small tools, which are all very standard-y. Oh, that's quite funky actually. That's like a SIBO brush strips thrown in there. That could be very good actually. I was going to say they're very standard Hotpoint-y meal of that era stuff. Floor head is also very standard. It is missing a lint strip. Wow, that's bright. 2 plastic wands, a little stumpy hose with no real end. It just like, again, like all other Hotpoints, it just presses them. There is also a brand new bag in it and a mucky filter, which I'll maybe give a clean. Yeah, it's even got a springy bag collar, so you can't use it bagless. Around the back, well, that was awkward. Cord needs a wee wipe. Got a nice Hotpoint plug on it. And other than that, no real other features to report. All very, what do we think, 80s? Early 90s? Made in West Germany, all that gives us. It's a little bit. So I was reeling the cord out, it would be probably easier if I chucked you down onto this kind of disco looking reflection show of this creamy vacuum cleaner. Yeah, who knows how old it is. Berlin Wall fell in 1989 apparently. That was a pub quiz question on Thursday night when we went to a pub quiz. So, yeah. Let's plug it in. I don't know if it's going to come on or not. No, it didn't. Or it's broken. That's probably just switched off. Let's go. Yeah, the hose is a bit stupidly short. But it works. Probably needs that filter cleaned. Genius idea, choke that lovely new bag up the door here. Not very strong. Again, it'll need that little filter cleaned. What I have upstairs, which I might go and get for the end of this video, is a service book for one of these that gives you schematics of it all. Might run and get that. I'll sell it with that. But yes, that's a rather nifty little thing, isn't it? But it's paying goodbye to this machine, so bye. You were great.